It is so wonderful to be surrounded by roses, and if you are surrounded by roses in your garden, there is an amazing contest that you could enter to maybe win bragging rights in your neighborhood. It's the 83rd annual Royal Rosarian Rose Garden contest that's coming up very soon. The deadline is May 28th to enter, and you can go online to gardentime.tv and click over to that website to get all the information. You don't have to have a lot of roses in your garden. It's a minimum of 12 roses. You just have to live within 20 miles of Pioneer Courthouse Square to be considered for this contest. And then you too can be the pride of your neighborhood.